Hello, welcome. If you're new, welcome back. This is my intro video. I just want to come on and say hello to all of my subscribers. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking. And for the ones that have been continuing to watch, I appreciate you clicking as well. So let me tell you a bit about myself. My name is Opal. I reside in California, okay? My channel is about sister locks, health, beauty, and bargains. So yeah, if you're interested in watching any of my videos now or in the future, once again, thank you, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Perfect.
Hear me now.
Basin, and a basin is just a little teeny harbor. You can tell it's pretty small here, especially if you compare it over to Honolulu Harbor. Guys, pretty much all the boats in here all have something to do with tourism. Dive boats, snorkeling boats, fishing boats, parasailing boats. That boat right behind us, the Golden Girl, that's the boat that they used for Hawaii Five-0 for the last season. And speaking of Hawaii Five-0, they're actually filming the last week or so the new Hawaii CSI, and also for the Magnum PI, the new season Magnum PI. So if you see the helicopter go over, look up and wave your hands. You might end up on the credits or something. You never know. So the new surfers actually go to Waikiki Beach area, all pretty much sand bottom. Much easier to surf there. On the right, everybody, this is meet anybody that says they're from Waianae. They're from the west side of the island. Beautiful part of the island. That white building in the middle is the Honolulu Airport. And beautiful visibility. Look at beautiful color right now. If you want to get up and walk around, you can. I do have some fish out here, so be very careful. If you see anything, guys, let us know.
Oh, I see one right there.
I'll throw it out in the middle or towards the front. Big bucket of fish food in the front of the boat. You want? So we've got 2 boats. We do 7. They are easily the most spoiled fish on the island. And you know, it's like when you were a kid, you heard the ice cream truck, you knew that sound. They know. They hear. Oh. All right, guys, let's see if we can get those dolphins again. This is also very rough. Sharks, if they don't always swim, will drown. But that one is a little different.
Oh yeah, yep, I see them.
Yeah, now they're gonna start playing.
Oh, how pretty.
Oh! No, the only fish.